What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Now, in today's video, we're not going to do any cooking. We're going to do them drinky drinks. I'm going to show you guys how to make 3 delicious New Year's Eve drink recipes or cocktails. Guys, you're gonna love it. So this type of video was requested to me by a subscriber. Her name is Rosé. She told me a few months back, do a holiday recipe for us, Spinelli. And I know she thought I forgot about it, but I didn't. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're going to use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have. So we're going to start over here. We have some orange flavored vodka. Now, you can use whatever type of orange flavored vodka or citrus vodka that you want. Some people may use Absolute. They have a citrus vodka, and also Ciroc has a citrus vodka. But right here, I'm using this Stoli. Over here in DR, that stuff costs an arm and a leg, and I'm not willing to pay for that just to do a mixed drink. Now, if I was just sipping it straight up with that and maybe a chaser, I typically like to buy some good vodka. But for a mix, man, you can use some cheap vodka, at least in my opinion. So, but this is not that cheap, but I use a downgraded brand. So make sure you have some orange or citrus vodka. Right here, we're gonna use a sparkling rose wine right here. Right here, we have some orange liqueur. I am not about to try to pronounce that because you guys are not finna make fun of me. I do have a way that I say it, but I'm not gonna do it here on camera. And right here, we have some frozen raspberries. Now, it's better to probably use some fresh raspberries, but I can't find any fresh raspberries here. So these are the ingredients, guys. It's a very quick and easy recipe. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so let me tell you what the measurements we're gonna use to make this particular recipe. So you're gonna use a whole bottle of your sparkling rose wine, which is a 750 milliliters. You're gonna use a cup of vodka, and you're gonna use a half a cup of your orange liqueur. Now, I forgot to mention, if you don't have that orange liqueur, because I know this orange liqueur is pretty expensive, if you have triple sec, you can also use triple sec as a substitute for the orange liqueur. And triple sec is definitely cheaper than this orange liqueur. So guys, so the first thing we're gonna do is gonna take our rose. Next, we're gonna add our vodka, our triple sec. I'm sorry, our orange liqueur. This is our orange liqueur. And guys, we're just gonna give that a mix like this. And guys, it's just that simple. I'm gonna cover it up and I'm gonna chill this while we prepare the other drink. And once we do that, then we're gonna come back, we're gonna fix them up, and then we're gonna have a taste test, all right? So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the refrigerator, let it chill while we prepare our next one. All right, so let's prepare our next drink. I really like this drink here, guys. So let me tell you what we have here. So right here, we have another bottle of white sparkling wine. Now, if you wanna use champagne, you can. Just depends on you. I'm gonna use this white sparkling wine. I know you're asking why you got all these cans of ginger ale. So the reason why is because I needed 2 liters of ginger ale, and can you believe they don't even sell a 2-liter bottle of ginger ale? So I had to buy all these cans of ginger ale. And here I have about a 24-ounce bag of frozen strawberries. So this is all you need, guys. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so as with the first recipe, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna take our wine. We're just gonna pour it here in our pitcher, along with all our ginger ale. Let's hope this thing is big enough to hold it. All right, but before I overload this, what I'm gonna do is what you wanna do is you wanna add your strawberries also in here. Guys, look at that, wow. So guys, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and transfer this into a bigger pitcher, and then I'm gonna put it in the refrigerator, let it chill for a second, and then we're gonna come back and do a taste test. But guys, take a look at that. Because what I wanna do is I wanna add the rest of our ginger ale in here to make it really complete. All right, Guys, that looks delicious. I'm telling you, I love this one here. So I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, for the last and final drink, here are the ingredients. We're gonna use some rum. As you can see, I chill my rum. That's why you can see that little ice around the side like that. Oh man, I love some chilled rum. Some pomegranate juice. Gonna use some more of that orange liqueur. Tell me how to pronounce that in the comments. I wanna know. Some ginger beer. And we're gonna use some mixed berries. So guys, these are the ingredients. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so I've measured out the ingredients for this recipe. Let me tell you what we have. So over here, I have about 2 1/4 cups of pomegranate juice. Right here, I have 1/3 cup of rum. I have a cup of that ginger beer. And right here, I have 1/4 of a cup of that orange liqueur. So this is all you need, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna start making this thing happen. All right, so all we're gonna do is we're gonna start with our pomegranate. And we're gonna pour that in here. And this is pomegranate too. I don't know if I specified that. I couldn't get all 2 cups in here, so this is our pomegranate also. Add our ginger beer. Some of that orange liqueur. Some rum, 1/3 cup of rum. I want mine a little bit stronger, so I'm gonna add a little bit more rum to mine. Not quite 1/3 of a cup, but just a little bit more. That 1/3 of a cup just ain't gonna do it for your boy Spinelli. Y'all understand that? All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna get that mixed up like this. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna sit this aside and I'm gonna prepare our 3 drinks and we're gonna take a look at them. Then we're gonna get into a taste test, which is quality control, so you guys can see what we got, so you guys can have a happy new year. Let's go. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start preparing our drinks. So what I did with our last drink, what you wanna do is you wanna take those mixed berries and you wanna fill it like halfway to the top. Then you wanna take that mixture that we had right here, and what we're gonna do is we're just gonna pour that mixture right into there. That's that pomegranate mixture, guys. And watch those berries rise to the top. Ooh, look at that, guy. Take a look at that drink there. And what we're gonna do is we're going to top it off with a couple sprigs of that thyme, just to make it look pretty good. You guys know how that works. Take a look at that. Absolutely delicious. Now, so that's our rum berry cocktail. Our next one is our pink sparkling wine, or if you use champagne, it could be a pink champagne punch cocktail. So what we're gonna do is gonna take put that in there like that. And I don't wanna splash it. So I'm going to take the strawberries out of here and just add them in there. That way we don't get a splash when we do it. And guys, take a look at that. What do you think about that one there? Oh man. My apologies, guys. This is the party punch. The next one is our pink champagne or pink sparkling wine cocktail. So let me get that over here. You know, once those strawberries got in it, all look pink to me. So this is what we have right there for this one and what we're gonna do. And they kind of look similar. They're like that. Man, that looks good too. Very good. And what we're gonna do with this one here, we're gonna take our raspberries. Remember I told you guys to get some of those raspberries, and we're gonna top them off with some of those raspberries in there. Now these are frozen raspberries. The fresh raspberries will work better, but we're gonna go with these frozen raspberries here. Guys, take a look at that. Oh my goodness. I know you guys like that. So, and there you have it, guys. 3 New Year's Eve drink recipes. We have our pink champagne or pink sparkling wine punch here. We have our mixed berry rum cocktail here. And we have our party punch champagne or sparkling wine drink right here. So guys, this looks delicious. So we're gonna go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to try this out. So I let you guys know what it tastes like. All right, let's go. All right guys, it's time for quality control, and this is probably one of my best quality controls because it involves drinky drinks, and y'all already know I love me some drinky drinks. So we're gonna start off with our party punch right here. Oh man, it's already, my cup overrunneth, which I like it when it comes to alcohol. I love for my cup to be overrunneth. All right, so guys, let's check this out. Yeah. This is a great drink for New Year's. I mean, it's smooth. It's not that strong. Of course, none of it's gonna be really that strong because there's not a whole lot of hard alcohol in it, but still has a nice taste. I mean, anybody can drink it. You know, some people don't like that hard alcohol taste like I do, but this right here is a great drink to bring into the New Year's, guys. So, definitely try that one out. Oh man, I can't wait till I turn this camera off because we're gonna get body. All right, so right here we have our Berry Rum Cocktail. Now guys, this one here is my favorite. I had this one, matter of fact, somebody made this one here for me for New Year's Eve last year. And man, when I tell you it was great, man. Man, look at the beauty. I like the color, man. It's just the presentation of that one is just so good. I ain't gonna even say I want to drink because I do want to drink. Let's taste it out. Now I like this one here because it's a little bit stronger than the first one, and I already know it's a little bit stronger than the second one because this one has that rum and the orange liqueur, and this is more like my type. If I want to drink a sweet drink, which I don't drink often, except something like mojitos, but if I want to drink a sweet drink, this one right here is definitely the one I would gravitate to because it has that, I can taste the alcohol in it. Guys, that is delicious. That is delicious. All right, so let's go over to our pink champagne cocktail, a pink sparkling wine cocktail. And this right here, you may want to add some, if you don't have it chill, you can add a couple ice cubes in just to make sure it's kind of chill. You want to make sure you drink all of them chill. They're even better chill. So let's taste this one here. Woo! That one there, son, is pretty strong too. Woo! Yeah. For some reason, I wasn't thinking that was gonna be that strong, but that one there is the truth, guys. This one here has a more of a dry, I don't want to say bitter, but kind of bittersweet taste. More like, it tastes more like a wine, like a dry wine. So this one here you'll like also too. This one's pretty good too if you like that wine taste. You can't taste much wine in the other ones, but this one here you kind of taste that wine flavor in that one. So yes, this one here is off the chain too. Man, this stuff got me sweating in here, guys. So you already know what to prepare tonight for New Year's, or if you're not watching this on New Year's, you already know what to prepare tonight, whatever day it is, or for the weekend, guys. I'm telling you, I got them all here. Let me see if I can do the threesome. I got them all here for you guys. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. And no, we didn't cook today. Let me just say I'm your bartender, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything, and I am out. Peace.